I am going to make a very nice, quick, lovely salted caramel sauce, and I am going to show you how quick and easy it is to make. I have got 200 grams of granulated sugar and I've put it on high heat and I'm going to let it caramelize. And as it starts to turn caramel on the side, you need to shake it very little and get all that sugar caramelized. And as you stir, the rest of these sugar lumps will melt as well. And make sure that the heat is turned to low, otherwise it only takes a few seconds for the caramel to burn. Look how lovely that is looking. That's it. All the lumps have gone. These will go in a second as well. Look, all the lumps have gone and there's no crystallization, there's no sugar left. And I'm going to just add 90 grams of butter to this. Keep stirring. Butter has mixed in well. And I've still got the hob on low heat. And now goes in 120 ml of double cream. Everything's calmed down now. Golden salt, which I will add a good pinch and mix. And here is your caramel sauce, salted caramel sauce, ready. Look at that. Take it off the heat. I'm gonna use for some cupcake filling, pour it on some vanilla ice cream, on some fruit. Just will use it for the next few days. And that's the lovely, gorgeous caramel sauce ready. Hope you guys are going to give this a go. Let me know if you do, and you can find this recipe and many more on my YouTube channel, Food with Chetna.